In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Made with Card watermark from your website. If you've built your site on Card, you're probably familiar with that little trademark sitting quietly at the bottom of your page. It's a handy reminder of the convenient tool you used, but there might be times when you'd rather have your site branding free, especially if you're using it for a professional portfolio or business. Let's dive into how you can do just that. To begin with, let's head over to your Card dashboard. Here you'll see a list of your sites, but for now, focus on the one you'd like to update. Click on the Edit button next to the site, and this action will open up the editor for you. As you scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page, you'll notice the Made with Card text. It's prominent enough that you'll spot it immediately. Once you've identified the watermark, here's the reality check. If you go ahead and publish your site as is and visit the live page, you'll still see that watermark standing firm. Now, what happens if you click on it? Well, Card will gently remind you that you need to upgrade to a pro plan to remove it. Yes, that's right. While this watermark is part of the free version, the upgrade is surprisingly budget-friendly. Card offers several pro options tailored to different needs, with the most cost-effective plans starting at a mere $9 per year. It's not just about getting rid of the watermark either. Upgrading introduces a suite of additional features that can elevate your website to the next level. If you're serious about enhancing your online presence, this investment is well justified. So, the succinct answer to your watermark woes is straightforward. You need to upgrade to Card Pro to hide or remove the Made with Card branding. This is a simple yet powerful step towards achieving a more polished look for your website. That's all for this quick tutorial. If you have any lingering questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you and help out where I can. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more insightful card tips, and stay tuned for more detailed tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.